Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying your Microsoft account region and billing info because Xbox Cloud Gaming uses those to allow access. Change your account country only if you actually live there. Otherwise, temporary fixes fail. Once done, make sure your payment method and address match the chosen country, sign out, and fully restart the browser or Xbox app so the service reevaluates your account region. Now you focus on routing and IP location, because even correct account settings can be blocked by your IP. Try a mobile hotspot to check if your ISP is the issue. If it works, consider a reputable VPN set to a supported country with low latency. Clear your DNS cache and confirm the public IP resolves to the intended region. Make sure your VPN doesn't leak DNS or WebRTC information that reveals your real location. To finish, sign back into Xbox Cloud Gaming while your VPN is set to the supported country and test streaming with a short game to confirm connectivity. If access still fails, switch VPN servers or protocols, or use split tunneling to route only the Xbox app. If problems persist, check NAT type, lower latency by choosing closer servers, and re-verify your Microsoft account region and billing. One quick troubleshooting tip is to test a different device to isolate where the block occurs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.